Well, hello guys. One of the most known stores in Vasai, which is you can see it right over here, which is brand store. आज मुझे मौका मिला है ये स्टोर का एक टूर कराने का एंड दिस इज समथिंग दैट मैं आपको दिखाना चाहता हूँ कि व्हाई इज इट दैट यू शुड विजिट योर दिस स्टोर. सो लेट्स चेक इट आउट. ओके सो वी आर राइट नाउ हियर इन ब्रांड स्टोर्स एंड मैं आपको बस ये दिखाना चाहता था कि ये स्टोर व्हाट इज इट ऑल द स्टोर अबाउट, लाइक व्हाई इज इट दैट वी आर ओवर हियर. एंड यही सब करने के लिए आज मेरे साथ है एडी एंड एडी विल शो मी अ लिटिल बिट अराउंड द स्टोर, लेटिंग मी नो कि यहाँ पे क्या क्या अवेलेबिलिटी है एंड व्हाट इज द बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट द स्टोर. सो लेट्स हियर फ्रॉम एडी. Adi, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Adi, I wanted to know कि जैसे कि अभी लॉकडाउन खत्म हो चुका है, okay, you started your store, you're doing really very good, I can see. तो मैं जानना चाहता था Adi कि यहाँ पे जब मैं आता हूँ स्टोर में, जब मैं एंटर करता हूँ आपके स्टोर में, तो मुझे क्या अवेलेबिलिटी है, क्या क्या मैं लेके जा सकता हूँ. What is the best part about the store? Tell me about it.
Firstly, I will tell you, brand store is all about discounts.
Okay, wow. Okay.
Throughout the year, 365 days, आपको हर प्रोडक्ट पे डिस्काउंट मिलेगा ही मिलेगा.
Okay, you hear that, okay?
Okay, डिस्काउंट मिलेगा मतलब मिलेगा. Okay. 40% is the initial start.
Okay.
It goes till 70.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, but from 19th October till this month end, we are offering a festive discount like 70 to 90% on all categories.
Okay, nice.
70 to 90% off.
Oh, that's nice. So let's see what is it that you have got. So Adi, where would we start? I see some some beautiful bottles over here
Yeah, this is our perfume section.
Okay.
Okay, you now the stock is a bit less, but you name the brand, we have all in stock.
Okay, that's nice.
Customer give the requirement and we make it available.
Okay.
Okay, this we offer for flat 1200. That is 1200 rupees.
1200 rupees.
Yeah.
So any bottle.
Any bottle. You take any piece out of it, that is for 1200 rupees.
Are you sure मैं ये boss उठा सकता हूँ just for 1200 rupees?
Yeah.
Okay, guy, you can see that. Okay, wow. Smells really good. Okay, that's nice. Okay, what else have we got, Adi?
अभी एक स्पोर्ट्स शू का सेक्शन है.
Okay.
जहाँ पे you can see Adidas, Reebok, Nike, Puma, all are 70% off.
Okay.
Okay, now this is Adidas shoes.
Okay.
10,000 is the MRP of it.
Oh wow. Okay.
You are getting it for 3,000 rupees. Okay.
Okay.
This is the Puma shoes. 4,000 again.
Okay.
1,200 is the offer price. Okay.
That's nice.
Now we'll take these. MRP of this is 13,000 rupees.
Okay.
3,900 is what we are offering now.
Okay, guys, I would like to show you see, just look at the quality of the shoes. It's just awesome. I don't think so ये price में मिलेगा करके. So Adi, what's actually the catch over here? How is it?
There is nothing catch actually. We deal in stock lots.
Okay.
Okay. We pick big lots.
Okay.
From all the companies, e-commerce companies and all the brands. And this is how we get good price, and we make sure we can also offer good discount to our customers.
Okay.
Let me just show you a couple of more shoes.
Okay.
This is Adidas original.
Oh wow.
Okay, MRP is again 13,000. Just have a look at this shoe. 3,900 is the offer price for this.
Wow. Okay.
Okay, we'll take this Nike in hand. Okay, very good sneaker. 6,000. 1,800 is the offer price.
Oh wow. Okay. It's actually a steal deal that you give it out to people over here.
You have to just spend some time over here.
Absolutely.
100% you will get some better deals.
Well, being a sneaker.
Let me just show you now this thing.
Absolutely.
This is a brand called Coolhand.
Okay.
Okay. All the MRPs of these shoes are above 15,000 rupees.
Okay.
Usually we used to sell these shoes for 3,000 rupees, but in this discount we are offering all these shoes for 1,500 to 2,000 rupees.
Acha, okay.
Now just take this.
Okay, so guys, you can see Coolhand. Okay, it's one of the most known brand and जिनको पता है ये ब्रांड के बारे में, आई एम प्रीटी श्योर दैट वो ये जो ऑफर प्राइस जो दे रहे हैं एडी यहाँ पे जो दे रहा है ब्रांड स्टोर में, आई एम प्रीटी मच श्योर कि ये ऑफर प्राइस कोई भी अप्रिशिएट करेगा नोइंग कि इनकी एक्चुअल प्राइसेस क्या है, इनकी एक्चुअल कॉस्ट क्या है करके. सो ये हो गया Coolhand. व्हाट एल्स हैव
यू? दिस इज आल्सो 15,000 shoes.
Okay.
Offer price is 2,000.
Okay, so another Coolhand 15,000 इनकी प्राइस है. We are giving it just for 2,000 rupees. Okay, that's nice. Okay, perfect.
You can just have a look at this section.
Okay.
Let me show you this. This is a Boss shoes.
Hugo Boss. Okay.
MRP will be roughly around more than 20,000 rupees. Again, this is for flat 2,000 rupees.
Wow.
This is size 7. $350.
Okay.
This shoes is not listed in Indian website.
Okay.
Okay, again 2,500 rupees.
Oh, that's nice. तो एडी लाइक एम आई रॉन्ग इन सेइंग, क्योंकि जहाँ तक कि मैं देख रहा हूँ, ठीक है, मैं कोई एक पर्टिकुलर शूज में कोई डिफरेंट साइजेस में नहीं देख पा रहा हूँ, तो
साइजेस पॉसिबल नहीं होता, हमारे पास भी स्टॉक पूरा असॉर्टेड आता है।
ओके
हम लोग ट्राई करते हैं कि सब कुछ अरेंज करके रख सके, ऑर्गेनाइज करके रख सके, सो दैट कस्टमर कैन कम एंड वी कैन लाइक इजीली हैव एक्सेस टू हिज साइजेस।
ओके, सो फॉर एग्जांपल आरी, अगर मुझे ये कोई एक पर्टिकुलर पूमा शूज लगेगा, व्हिच इज अ लवली शूज आउट ओवर हियर, बट अगर ये मैं उठा तो मुझे पसंद आता है।
सर अगेन दिस शूज, दिस इज इन साइज 8।
हाँ,
ओके, अगर साइज 9 में है आपको आपके साइज में दिख जाएगा, अगर नहीं है तो सर कुछ नहीं कर सकते।
ओके, परफेक्ट। सो गाइज यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट यहाँ पे जो जितने भी लाइक शूज आते हैं, यू कैन सी एवरीथिंग ओवर हियर। यहाँ पे जितने भी शूज अवेलेबल है, यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक ही कैच है कि वी वुड गेट one shoes in one size. अगर आपको दूसरे साइज में मिल गया, nothing like it. If not, then you'll have to make another choice over here. So let's see one other section that the Addy has got for us over here, and let's see what Addy has to show us now.
Now this is a male watch section, all men's. Let me just show you some watches. This is diesel.
Oh wow.
Okay, 10,000 is the MRP of this. Offer price is 3,000. Again, this is like 12,000. Offer price is 4,000. 16,000. So everything is under like 70% off. Not only diesel, we have Citizen, Hugo Boss, we have some E-Spirit with us, we have Fossil as well. Everything is under 70% off, and not only big brands, we have Fast Track as well. So if you take this watch, the MRP of this watch is 2,100 rupees.
Okay.
Tentative price will be around 600 rupees for this, 600-650 rupees.
Absolutely. So that cheap, I can get this watch with just from
Yes,
you.
yes,
Okay,
yes.
wow, okay, that's nice. मुझे नहीं लगता मैं फास्ट ट्रैक वापस जाने वाला हूँ for sure. Okay, what
Have a
do
look
you
here
have
now.
over here?
This is for ladies.
Okay.
Okay. In ladies also we have got some good brands. We have got DKNY,
Okay.
Fossil. Again we have like got lot of brands in ladies.
Okay.
We are offering some good discounts, like massive discounts on Mango as well.
When we say massive discount, what are the discounts are we talking
See, now this watch, the MRP of this watch is 7,700 rupees.
about? Okay.
Okay, we are offering this watch for flat 500 rupees.
Flat 500.
Yes.
Wow. Okay.
We have Kenneth Cole as well. Again, we have Roberto Cavalli and all. Just have a look.
Wow, wonderful. Okay. Apart from that, Addy, I
Let me
think we
take
have
you-
one
let me
more
take you
section.
to This section. This is our backpack section.
Okay.
Majorly we have is like Puma, Nike, Adidas. What discount we're offering is 70% off on this. So like this Puma bag is of 1,500 rupees.
Okay.
You are getting it for 450 rupees now.
Wow. Okay.
This is for 3,600. Tentative offer price is 1,000 rupees. Nike backpack. This is again Puma, 1,500 rupees. 450 rupees will be the price of it. This is somewhere around 2,600 rupees.
Okay.
Offer price. MRP is 2,000 rupees.
So guys, you can see like there are the MRP printed over here, okay, of 2,000 rupees. And Addy, if in case अगर आप ये offer में अभी दे रहे हो, ठीक है, तो ये 2,000 का Puma का bag है, which is lovely. I really like this bag. So what would be the offer price for this?
See, this is flat 70%. 600 rupees is what.
Okay. So guys, you need to understand that ये 2,000 वाला जो bag है, okay, which is such a lovely bag. You need to get it. You can get it just for 600 rupees. I don't think so. Like ये discounts आपको वापस मिलेंगे.
See,
So
अक्षय, मुझे और एक बात आपको बताना है.
बोलिए please.
Like every other day,
हाँ.
we get stock. We get stock. So stock आता है, stock चला भी जाता है.
Okay.
Now see, yesterday we have got this duffel bag of BMW. See, now this is a current article. You can see this. 4,000 rupees is the MRP. 70% off what we are offering today. This is again a Porsche duffel bag.
Wow.
Puma. 15,000 is the MRP of this. 4,500 is what we are offering.
Wow, okay.
Okay, so you have to be like, we make sure we update our customers on WhatsApp. We have started Telegram as well.
Okay.
So later I will give you all the details of it.
Okay, that's nice. What do we have over here now?
Now this is something like premium.
Okay.
Okay, these are all Ray-Bans.
Wow.
Just have a look. These are all aviators. 7,000, 6,500, 10,000.
Guys, I'm not really sure if you can go to the details of it, but यहाँ पे ना एक army print type यहाँ पे cloth दे रही है. This is a pretty premium thing that we have got over here. So the moment I wear it, I still look like a joker with this tag, I know, but I'm pretty sure that I can really feel it, it's so good actually. It's really nice.
और मैं
And
आपको ये
what are the
बताना
discounts
चाहता
on
हूँ,
this one?
ये 100% ओरिजिनल है, ऑथेंटिक प्रोडक्ट्स. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि कस्टमर्स को लगेगा कि ये मेडअप है या कॉपी है. नो, वी 100% अश्योर यू दिस आर ऑल ओरिजिनल प्रोडक्ट्स. इसका बारकोड, इसका प्रॉपर बॉक्स, सब कुछ आपको मिल जाएगा.
Okay.
ठीक है. ये एक एविएटर्स हो गए. यहाँ पे आप देखोगे वेफरर्स है, क्लब मास्टर्स है.
Okay, guys. So just let's go into
13,000 is the MRP of it.
Okay, so this one again, you just have to need to have a look at the detailing of it, of this Ray-Ban. And
बहुत variety है यहाँ
what
पे.
would be the discount on this one?
अक्षय, सिर्फ ये एक सेक्शन है जहाँ पे हम अभी ये सेल में 50 to 70% ऑफ दे रहे हैं. कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स है जो 50% पे है, जैसे ये प्रोडक्ट हो गया, ये 60% ऑफ पे है.
Okay.
ठीक है, तो इसका टेंटेटिव ऑफर प्राइस 13,000 इज द MRP. 5,000 के आसपास आपको ये लैंड हो जाएगा.
Oh wow. Okay, that's nice. It's still pretty cheap, Addy. It's still pretty cheap.
We have some Oakleys as well.
Uh-huh.
Have a look at this.
So let's have a look at this beautiful Oakleys that I've got over here.
35,000 is the MRP of this.
Okay.
In this sale, we are offering this for 7,000 rupees.
Wow.
We have got box and everything of this.
Okay. So it's total authentic. तो
Yeah,
मतलब
yeah,
उसमें कोई
100%. See, any of the customer, we can challenge like any of the customer who can like prove that these are all fake or anything.
Absolutely. मतलब मैं जहाँ तक कि देख रहा हूँ, मुझे तो नहीं लग रहा है कि इसमें तो कुछ फेक है, तो that is out of question for sure. So what
यहाँ
else
पे
do
भी
you
आप
have
देख सकते
here?
हो, ये सब फ्लैट 70% ऑफ वाले रेबन्स है. Just have a look. Now this was our ground floor section. Let me
What
just
do you mean by
quickly-
ground floor?
Yeah, we have like a small section up as well.
Okay, just a small section.
Yeah, very small.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Let's have a look. Oh wow. अरे थोड़ा ज़्यादा छोटा हो गया ये. Okay, guys, I'm not sure कि आपको कैसा दिख रहा है, but just have a look around. So this is absolutely not a small store. Just look at the size of it. Just have a look. Okay, and okay, there is another section over here. Wow. Okay. So we have ladies and voila, we have another section right down over here in the aisle of shoes. So Addy, why don't you start? So मुझे लगा कि
जैसे मैंने आपको नीचे बोला कि सर हमारे पास साइजेस असॉर्टेड आते हैं, पीसेस असॉर्टेड आते हैं. सो वी मेक श्योर जो भी साइज वाइज है हम लोग एक ऑर्गेनाइज वे में सेग्रीगेट करके रख सके. लेट मी जस्ट शो यू. दिस एंटायर वॉल इज साइज 7.
Okay, this entire
This
wall is
entire
size.
wall
Okay.
from there to here, this is size 7. Again, this is size 8. If we go that side, that is size 9 and size 10.
Okay.
So customer जब भी आता है, तो अगर size 8 का customer है, so we just tell him कि size 8 sir, these all things are there to offer. You can have a look and you can select. Again, this entire wall today, like till month end, it's on 70% off.
Okay, 70% on any.
More than 70%. Let me show you more products. Now, these are ones. This entire row is of ones. MRP are starting MRP. I will tell you 3,000 to 4,000, 4,500 rupees. Offer price is 800 rupees to 1,000 rupees now.
That's it.
Yeah.
Any Vans?
Yeah.
I'm thinking. I love Vans actually. I'm wearing one right now. Wow. So I can purchase this for like just 1,000 rupees.
Yes,
and that's
yes,
it.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Again,
Okay.
some budget shoes I will show you.
Mhm.
This is a flying machine section.
Okay.
MRPs, starting MRPs are 1500 to 2500. What price you expect for this?
Okay, I don't want to challenge you, man. Like, you know, you're just killing it right
We are
now.
offering this for flat 299. Pick any shoes for 299 of flying machine. You just can have it.
Okay, that's nice. So guys, these flying machine shoes, okay, if I look at the MRP of it, just have a look. It says 2199, and this guy is offering it for 299. Like, why shouldn't I purchase this shoes? Wow, okay.
If we see here,
Hmm.
these are Raymond shoes.
Okay.
MRP, starting MRPs are like 6,000, 7,000, 8,000.
Hmm.
699 is what we are offering now.
Wow. Okay.
There are some shoes which we are offering for 599 as well.
Hmm.
You will get like all the sizes in flying machine, Raymond. One more thing I have to show you. Please.
Sure.
Please. So again, these are Ben Sherman loafers.
Hmm. Oh wow. Okay. So guys, you also need to know this one thing, that you know he is not only offering you the shoes at a discount, but it comes with the authentic box. Like, you know, आपको ये बस ये पता होना चाहिए कि like, you know, whenever like if you love shoes, okay, and when you're into shoes, you need to understand that, you know, keeping your shoes with the box is something that everyone loves it. And this guy is offering it with a discount, with the box, and I'm pretty sure like almost all the
Yeah,
shoes.
almost all the shoes like we have boxes. किसी का boxes हम लोग maintain नहीं कर पाते, but that is like बहुत कम
But वो
cases
भी
में
ट्रांसपोर्ट
होता
में
है.
मतलब
Yes,
कुछ
yes,
डैमेज
yes.
हो जाता है, that would be all okay. That's wonderful.
So
Look,
let me just tell
you-
you what discounts we are offering. on
Yeah,
this.
sure, please.
These shoes we are offering for 499. This is a pure leather shoes.
499 pure leather shoes. Wow. I've seen like, you know, most of the leather markets, and like, you know, यहाँ पे भी 499 में shoes मिलना is next to impossible. Last year I think I have been to Delhi, and let me tell you guys that, you know, they are not Delhi but Agra has got like, you know, a leather market over there. I've been over there, saw the shoes. I did not like it. I did not purchase it. But in case if 499 में if this guy can offer me this, I'm pretty sure I'm in for it. So let's see what else he has got to offer.
I have some more varieties in this.
Okay, so this is Ben Sherman. People who know about this brand, I'm pretty sure that they're going to like it.
This is something slightly leather.
Okay, so this is in suede. We have got US Polo, we have got Ben Sherman over here. So mostly, अगर मैं देखने जाता हूँ आनी, तो like, you know, most of it covers like, you know, shoes sections over here, right?
Yeah, we are majorly into shoes.
Okay.
Okay, we started with shoes actually. Then we started apparels, watches, sunglasses, bags.
Okay.
Okay. This is again a ladies section.
Oh wow, girls, you're gonna love this thing. Like, it is so glittery, so beautiful. Like, just have a look at it. Like, the Cinderella of your life should have these shoes, man. Like, look at this mango. Wow. Okay. So like, I'm pretty sure, like, you know, Ari, you must have worked your way on this. Like, you know, आपने यहाँ पे भी एक अच्छा खासा discount रखा होगा. So let's talk about the prices.
See, in ladies section, throughout 365 days, we offer 70% off.
Oh.
But for this festive, we are offering all these shoes for 299. Pick anything for 299. Let it be this Q Madden as well. 299.
Wow.
Now let's take this Clark.
Clarks, okay.
Clarks 299.
So let me tell you one thing, guys. Like, you know, Steve Madden is one of the most premium brands that, you know, someone like, you know, the entire shoe industry can offer when it comes to, like, you know, ladies products. And this guy is giving it for like just 299, and I'm pretty sure that, you know, that's not something that
we
you
have
would like to
again
miss.
variety of brands. We have
Absolutely.
Raspberry, we have Catwalk, we have Cotton London. Again, we have Mango. You will find lot of varieties here.
So this entire section
Yeah,
for
this
this festive season is 299. Okay,
299, yes.
wow, perfect. So let's see what else he has got to offer now. Okay.
So now this is a refurbished section.
Okay. So these are
So-
like refurbished shoes.
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly. So just I told you, like, we are into stock lot. So we get some shoes where we find some defect as well. पर हम वो कस्टमर को ऑफर नहीं करते. वो एंड ऑफ सीजन जब भी होता है तभी हम रिफर्बिश कैटेगरी एक डालते हैं एंड वी शो टू द कस्टमर कि दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम इन इट एंड वी ऑफर देम एट अ वेरी 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 dirt cheap price.
Okay.
Okay.
Guys who do not know what is refurbished is, let me just tell you. रिफर्बिश का मतलब ये नहीं होता है कि इसमें कोई डिफेक्ट है करके. बहुत से टाइम ऐसा होता है कि हम जब एक बड़ा लॉट उठाते हैं, ठीक है, उसमें मे बी शूज को लाइक कोई दब जाता है, उनके लाइक थोड़े से धागे निकल जाते हैं. तो मैं आपको एक सैंपल के लिए लाइक आई जस्ट पिक अप एनी वन ऑफ द शूज. ओके, नाउ जस्ट लुक एट दिस एंटायर शू. ओके, देयर इज नथिंग इन इट, ऑलमोस्ट लाइक नथिंग इन इट. सो व्हाट इज द रीजन आड़ी कि ये यहाँ पे ये शूज लैंड हुआ रहेगा करके? इट कैन बी एनी डैमेज.
जस्ट बिकॉज इसका सोल थोड़ा सा डर्टी था, ठीक है. वी हैव लाइक पुट दिस शूज फॉर 90% ऑफ. नाउ द MRP ऑफ दिस शूज इज 2500.
ओके,
You will get these shoes for 250 rupees. This
Wow.
is a Reebok, original Reebok sneaker. You can have a look.
that is beautiful.
Again, let me show you one Adidas shoes.
Mm-hmm.
See, this there are some stains over it. You can see it.
एंड ये सब आई गेस ये ट्रांसपोर्ट के वक्त ही हुआ रहेगा.
4000 is the MRP. You will get it for 400 rupees. Again, we have Nike.
ओके,
See, now there is some problem over here. You can see it. 6000 is the MRP. 600 is the offer price.
wow, okay. So Adi, like you are keeping transparency when it comes to customers, I believe. क्योंकि आप इसको अगर कोई नॉर्मल सेक्शन में भी रख देते थे, there wouldn't have been like any problem.
Exactly, Akshay. पर मुझे ऐसा कुछ नहीं करना है कि I should lose my customer.
Absolutely,
Okay,
absolutely.
मुझे जो करना है बता के करना है. Customer should always be happy.
Absolutely. So this was all from me. That was Akshay over here. Guys, do like, share, subscribe this entire video. Please show some love. So sayonara, take care of yourself.